Okay, so as you can see, I'm playing this game called Whirly. As you can also see, there is no Wi-Fi. And this is an offline game because there's no Wi-Fi. Okay, so anyways, I have a goal, 10,000, as you can see. High score is very nearly 10,000, so I'm just gonna get to that. Then I'm gonna do 15,000, and then 20,000. I don't think I'm ever gonna get, oh my god, ever gonna get that far, but let's just try. Oh, 2 in a row, come on. Yes. Oh. See if I can do this. Oh. Apparently not. No. Oh, I'm so bad at this game. Boom. Boom. So how to play this game, you have to tilt your screen left and right. If you go off the left hand side of the screen and you come out the right, as you can see. And same with the right hand screen. Or I'm so bad at speaking. I cannot speak today, I swear. Boom. Yes. Those go like 2,500 or something. Come on. Boom. That goes a good 700, 600 question mark. Yeah. It's been 2 minutes. Highest I've gotten is like 5,000. Come on. Come on. No, there were 3 of them. How do I miss? Surely. Yes. Okay. You probably can't even hear what I'm saying right now. I need a mic, like 100%. Like all of my videos, you just cannot hear what I'm saying. Oh, okay. Almost been 3 minutes now, as you can see. In top left hand side of the corner. And so far I haven't even got to 6,000. But this time I'm getting to 10,000. See? That's 1. That's just 1. This time I can feel it's come on, please. Oh, I didn't mean to. Okay. Ooh. Good memory gets you a lot of stuff, you know. I've actually got a really bad memory. I don't know what's up with my memory, but it's bad. And jump on those? Yes! I beat my high score. Come on, 10,000, 10,000. Surely. 10,000! Let's go! Come on. Can we go to 15,000? Can we beat that one too? 12,000. Yo, we got this in the bag. Come on. 13? 14,000? No! 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 I was that close. Oh my god. Alright, let's try again. I wish there was like a watch a video to save me kind of thing. Boom. Amazing. Okay, let's try to go 10,000. So let's. I mean, as you can tell, I'm on Android. I mean, you can kind of tell by that I just. Oh snap! Don't put that like that. It's literally an Android logo, but you know what? Let's just go back on here. So have pacman. Let's see if I can beat pacman again. Okay. Best of this game. I've beat this a couple times. Bye bye. And I'm already. Well, it's fine. I have 3 lives, I think. Yep, 3 lives. Now, what I do, I use this, not as advantage to get the bursts, but to collect some extra things. If the ghosts come in my path, I will do that. Yeah. Oh snap! I was so screwed. Okay. To do that. Oh, I might actually do this. Come on. Sure, let's go. First try? No way. No way. First try, baby. Let's go. Oh, I have to do it again. Okay. Bring. How high can I go? I'm already at 4,000. Let's do this. Right. Big brains to be able to play with you. I have big brains, I think. Oh, got him. Ooh. Oh. I'm so sus. Oh wait, no, I'm dead. You get it? If you go on, you might get it. It's really gonna die. As long as you turn into a ghost. Yeah. Oh no. 7,040. That's pretty decent. I think. Oh, we'll see you doing up there. Okay. Let's just. Oh, don't want that. I want to do what? No, go away. What about cricket? This game is pretty stupid. Basically, you just have to tap this thing right here. I mean, you're supposed to like do that. But I just But that game's kind of boring. Very good content. Snake. Okay. Savrus Snake. I'm pretty decent at this game. Like, I'll be honest. You can get like different modes in this one though. It's not like the old Snake. Like my dad, he used to have like this phone, which had the old Snake on it, just re-downloaded. So I used to play that quite a lot. But now he has a better phone, which is much better. Than oh my god. Okay. Cough, cough, cough. Coronavirus. No, I don't actually have corona. Don't worry. Stay safe. Don't get corona. Boom. 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 Okay, that was an accident. Don't mind that. So basically, my phone, it's weird. It can only record for 5 minutes. Okay, as you can see there, that's like what I use to record sometimes. Other times I use Mobizen, which is like a streaming app. Oh, wait, what was that? Okay. So I think that's enough to wrap it up for this video. Stay safe. Keep masks on. Yeah. Yeah. I will see you in the next video.